Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The conflict war between Azerbaijan and Armenia is still continuing now for 2 weeks with more civilian casualties. So far, the two countries are ignoring a ceasefire and have accused one another for causing civilian and military casualties since the clashing on September 27, 2020. The Russian President Vladimir Putin said that he is in constant contact with Armenian Prime Minister about the conflict, and he has also called for fighting to stop in the Nagorno-Karabakh region at the earliest. The France, United States and Russia are going to hold talks in Geneva in order to end the conflict war between Azerbaijan and Armenia. Looks like Turkey is not happy with this decision of these three countries and feels that they should not be involved in mediation and for neglecting the conflict. France, the United States and Russia are co-chairs of the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe's OSCE group that mediates over the Nagorno-Karabakh conflicts. So what role is Iran playing in this conflict since Iran shares the border with both Armenia and Azerbaijan? Seeing the status and casualties, Iranian president has warned of a possible regional war due to the ongoing conflict. Iran wants to maintain stability and peace in the region, and they would not entertain any other environment. Looks like Iran has prepared a plan with specific framework which contains details after consultation from both Azerbaijan and Armenia, and it will be deciding on the next action plan very soon. Iran has mentioned that peace is the basis of their work, and they hope to restore the stability to the region in a very peaceful way. There were several videos circulated on social media showing trucks carrying covered loads through the Iranian border with Armenia, and this has prompted claims that military equipment was being exported for use in Nagorno-Karabakh war. Seeing such news, Iran has clearly denied the same, saying Iran won't be allowing their soil to move arms and ammunition, and all these were false allegations. Post some sources, it was revealed that these vehicles were Russian Kamaz trucks carrying the vehicle parts which were purchased by Armenia before the armed conflict and was being transported through Iran. According to Iran, Azerbaijan is a brother nation and they called Armenia a neighbor and urged for peace as soon as possible. Even though France, Russia and Iran have provided updates that Turkey is sending Syrian fighters to take part in the fighting, but the same has been denied by both Turkey and Azerbaijan. Even Armenia has complained that Turkey, which is a key supporter of Azerbaijan, are sending fighters from Syria to this particular region to take part in the war. As per the latest update, even the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights has reported that as many as 850 Syrian fighters have arrived in Azerbaijan to join this particular conflict war. In my opinion, these conflicts cannot be resolved through anything but negotiations from both these countries. So let us hope these conflicts come to an end at the earliest and the region returns to peace. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.